Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we're going to kick it off talking about FESCO Limited. The company, recently listed, came out of the blockbuster deal by NCB Capital Markets and said that they're Jamaica's first oil and gas company to jump onto the Jamaica Stock Exchange, and most importantly, Jamaican owned. In tonight's show, they're talking about here an appointment or change of company secretary. What they're saying here is effective May 6th, Mr. Junior Williams has ceased to hold the office as company secretary, and Mrs. Kayola Muirhead was appointed to this office with approval from, most importantly, the board of directors. Next up, we've got First Rock Capital Holdings here considering a dividend. The board of directors of First Rock has come out this week with not just considering a dividend, also their results and a deal in Costa Rica. We're going to talk about all of it this week and going into Friday. In this case here though, considering a dividend, the board's getting together coming up shortly, May 19th, 2021, for an interim dividend payment to all ordinary shareholders. Now, Supreme Ventures, Jamaica's giant entertainment gaming company, coming out here with some huge investment news as well. Appointment of CEO to Supreme Ventures FinTech Limited. We covered this on Business Live, one of their new companies or new subsidiaries. This is appointment of Mr. Damien Duncan, well-known financial services sector, previously of NCB and previous vice president of Supreme Ventures itself. Now, Berger Jamaica coming out here with some profitable numbers, well needed by the shareholders and the marketplace. This is a big rebound here in Q1 and hitting some pay dirt here. Most importantly, getting back into some good numbers here by Berger Paints Jamaica and much needed profitability. Earnings per share hitting 4 cents per share or 8.28 million Jamaicans. So not a huge figure, but the point is hitting back to above break even versus Jamaican 20-cent loss in the prior year or year over year. Now, this is for the March 31st, 2021 quarter or the first quarter. Revenues did better. Revenues hit 597 million Jamaican versus 508 million Jamaican or so. The cash on the balance sheet still is holding strong for the March quarter. The current ratio, current assets, current liabilities, 2 times or higher, so we like that. Last up tonight, Sagicor Select Funds jumping and doing well overall, similar to Mayberry Jamaican Equities, QWI Investments. You're seeing all these investment companies or holdings doing better as we had a blockbuster quarter for the first quarter on the market. Declaring a dividend here for Sagicor Select Funds, approved by the board of directors May 11th for the following resolution. Interim dividend, 0.0056 per share or per stock unit. It's going to be payable July 2nd for the Financial Select Fund. You got 2 of these funds. You got the financial one and the manufacturer and distribution. Now, they're both going to be payable on the same day, July 2nd. The manufacturer and distribution, the interim dividend is just about a cent per share, 0.0105 per share, payable July 2nd also. So that's for the manufacturer and distribution select fund. So both of them giving some cash flow to shareholders. Shareholders love that globally, but especially in Jamaica. They love to get those dividend checks or those electronic mandates hit your bank account right away. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.